So this is a quick little video that'll just give you a quick roundup of what small scale mining is, who it's for, and the benefits that are for you. So firstly, who is small scale mining for? So we often describe small scale mining as anything from 1 to 5 units, where we say it's small scale because ultimately you don't need really any infrastructure whatsoever. We have plenty of this equipment in attics, garages, bedrooms, offices, certain facilities, anywhere really where you have an internet socket and normal plugs, 230 volt walls, as you would for any other normal electrical device in your house. You can run this equipment very, very happily indeed. Internet requirement is almost non-existent. As long as you've got a decent internet connection, the speed is somewhat irrelevant. As you can see from the units behind me, many of those are running on a single 1 megabyte internet connection. So again, you don't need to worry about lightning fast speed. The beauty of small scale mining is that you're able to quickly be able to move equipment from place to place if you wanted to, or simply have a few units that aren't particularly offensive. As you can see, they don't give off a huge amount of heat with a few units. You don't need to worry about the noise too much. All the devices behind me are on full tilt as I'm filming this, and you can hear me quite well. So for smaller scale mining, the strategies that we tend to advise clients to use are a little bit more straightforward. It's more likely that you're going to kind of go with just whatever the most profitable coin of the moment is, as it is at the moment. That doesn't mean you're going to be changing coins every 5 minutes, maybe just a few times a year. We keep it quite straightforward, and it's a very easy way to be able to have some nice passive income earning in the background, which has all the tax advantages and things, which of course you can see on other places in our website. We also, of course, have a nice price discount if you purchase that 5th unit, as again there you can start to do some slightly more exciting things, maybe having 2 machines on one coin, 2 machines on another, and perhaps a higher risk strategy coin if you wanted to balance things that way. Or less than that, of course, you can just run them in a slightly more simple way. But again, we advise you on all of those to help you get the best out of your equipment, dependent on your risk propensity. Fundamentally, small scale crypto mining is dead simple, dead straightforward. Normal plugs, normal internet sockets, maybe even just a shelf behind as if you're getting 4 or 5 units. It's very, very easy, very, very quick to get going. You can plug them in, turn them on, and everything is done for you. This is the easiest entry point, and we have many, many clients up and down the country and all over the world that enter at this type of price point. You can click the shop below. It'll take you to be able to purchase as many units as you want, up to 5 on the small scale side of things. And of course, if you'd like to know more and the advantages of the larger scale mining, follow the links below, and that will take you to the relevant place in the website. If you have any questions or queries, or you'd like to get in touch with myself or the team, please just give us a call on the number around the screen that you can see, or alternatively give us an email or book an appointment to come and see us. We'd love to give you a bit of a discussion in more detail. But ultimately, we're here to talk to help guide you through this process, give you the best advice we can, and help you on the crypto mining journey together.